Just watch, Iban, ha? Watch. Don't pick anything kay mag-dirty yung hands mo. Ay, sus, Marimar! Na, I told you, ha? Don't pick anything. Your hands will get dirty.
Wala biyahe!
Paano mo nalaman na wala biyahe?
Kasi sabi ni ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, Montisa. Kadali naman.
iba man yan.
Diba na,
Tao. Ang hirap naman.
motorcycle.
Ay,
Mawala na.
marami pa. Oh?
Wala biyahe!
Kung magsigaw-sigaw, alam na nila yan kay Bagyo. Don't shout on them. Because they already aware that there's no passengers for going to the city of Cagayan.
Hello guys, today this is end.
Ito. Sabi ko sa'yo dito, mag-vlog ka dito. Mama, what doing, Mama?
This
Ay,
is
hindi na yan.
it. Oh, na-vlog ko na.
Okay, vlog mo si Mama Vic. Okay, Vic.
Pero paano yan na-feel ng uling?
They put the coconut shell here while there is a fire. They put on fire. They throw coconut shell here, and boom, it become like this. And we can use it for daily use for cooking.
How they get coconut?
They climb to the coconut tree. They get the old coconut fruit. They get coconut fruit, and then they remove the coconut bunot. I don't know what we call the bunot.
Shing shing.
Sing pod.
No, wait.
That's okay. That's okay.
This.
That's okay na.
Adi yung food stream.
Huh?
Food steps ko.
Tama na, patayin mo na yan. Hindi ka man nagbablog sa akin.
Okay, oh.